Day 44 of 100 Days of Junk Journal Tags. Today is a hidden paperclip tag. And you can see on the back, I've got a hidden paperclip. I'm going to change it up just a little bit from the way I originally made it to the way we're going to make it today. And there are many different ways to make hidden paperclips. If you're new, this is part of my 100 Days of Junk Journal Tags. And this series has a playlist, and this digital printable booklet with all 100 days of instructions is available on my Ko-Fi site. Be sure and go and check out Bexx's video, her version of this tag, and see how she made it. Also, the instructions for this particular one are below. Again, making a hidden paperclip is, many versions. I originally started with a triangle, which is the one I like to make for basically a corner or top of a page. And then this one I made, but I decided to give you another kind. Let me show you. This just hooks on like this. So it will go down about 2 inches. So we're going to make one that will go about almost the full width of or height of my tag. Now the tag I'm starting with is a 4 by 5 inch tag, and I'm using some papers from Crafter's Companion, I think. Let me see, who is this by? This is Close Knit, and it is by American Crafts. And so I've cut my papers out already, and I do advise that if you want to embellish, go ahead and embellish first. So I've cut a piece from that, and it is a 4 by 3 3/4 because I want to be just under that width. And now I'm going to ink the edges before I glue this on. I'm ready to glue this on, and this is just the background for my actual tag, not the hidden paperclip part. We're going to do the hidden paperclip just a moment. So this is the front of my tag. I want to add some images on my tag. I'm going to stamp, and I'm going to add some cheesecloth and some lace. I have a flower that is a paper flower that I made, and this will be, I'll be showing how to make these and some other fun tiny tags and, faux sewing things to use for your sewing journals. So we're just going to put that right there in the middle. On this one, I put it on the side. Now we're going to take some lace and go ahead and put that at the bottom here, because I like lace. So we're going to add that. There we go. Now for the hidden paperclip. You need one piece that is a little bit bigger than your other piece. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold this in half, and then we're going to fold this one in half, and your paperclip goes between the two. This taller or longer one, I measured 3 3/4 by 8, and this one is 3 3/4 by 7. They're going to fit inside each other like this, and then we're going to glue it onto the back here, and then that makes my tag have a hidden paperclip. The paperclip will go here. When you glue it in, it will go like that. I almost forgot also, I would like to add some faux stitching on my front of my tag, and you can also do that, or you could actually stitch it if you wanted to. This one I'm going to also do the same thing, and we're going with a straight stitch for this particular design. I am going to go across the bottom. The next thing that I want to do before I add anything, I put the actual paperclip together, is I'm going to add these words, and I'm going to add this little ticket here. Now we're ready to put everything together. I'm gonna take my paper clip so it can be hidden, and we're gonna just put glue all in here and glue down the bottom of this. Just gonna put it right there. And then we're gonna actually do glue on this side. And I'm just saying embellishing first actually is easier for your, it's just easier. Because once you have it on there, it's kind of bumpy. And if you want it to be more, you can definitely do that. We're just doing a little something, something. Now I'm gonna glue this back here all the way down. Now you might think about it if you wanna try a pocket, you could do that. I'm not gonna do that on this one because it might be pulling it in and out quite a bit. I'm going all the way to the bottom with my hidden paper clip. You see my paper clip is right here. So this is gonna slide all the way over on my page. Now I'm just gonna take some of this lace and I'm gonna put that through my hole here. And while that glue is setting, and this one is a little bit different than this one, but I like them both. Now I'm gonna show you how it will slide down on a page. And here's my book. I'm just gonna take it and put my pages in between where that paper clip is, and it's just gonna slide down like that. And there's your hidden paper clip. The reason that I made it bigger is so that my tag would slide down further, because this one I made it shorter, just showing you my process, and it only goes down 2 inches, which if you're gonna put it on a pocket, otherwise it kind of sticks up a lot that way. But you can make your tag any size you want, and there you go. Hidden paperclip tag. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope it was clear, and have a great day.